Hi, we're the Pinfolds, and this is our 6-month lap of Australia. Follow us to drop the pin. And welcome to Drop the Pin. Unfortunately, we couldn't do an amazing entry video as Taylor and I were only operating on about 2 hours sleep. Emily fell off the back of a couch, giving herself a concussion, and we spent the night in the hospital doing emergency CT scans and sitting in the recess bay. Thankfully, all is fine after about 12 hours of monitoring. We're hitting the road, starting with rain.
I want to go for snorkel.
Possible. I don't know how deep this area is.
Happy?
Yeah. There. We've made it, guys. Our first stop,
Mom.
Horrocks. Horrocks, little bay campsite. First stop. Beautiful. Look at these cliffs.
Yeah. White.
Welcome back to another episode of Drop the Pin. First stop is Horrocks. It took us about 5.5 hours to get here yesterday, after only having about 4 hours sleep. Got here about 4:30, so we didn't do anything, just set up, and now we're exploring. Girls want to go for a swim, and it's 18 degrees.
Pretty good weather. Nice spot.
I'm going to take you into my camp now, just show you about. We set up yesterday, and then we woke up this morning. We didn't like the setup. We spun the camper around just to get a better view.
A nice little shaded area here. Guys have set up a hammock, which they've been playing on non-stop so far. And this is us. Nice little spot. There's only one other person in this campsite at the moment, and they're about 150 meters away. So that's pretty cool. Put everything up. Taylor's cracked out the coffee machine already. This is our setup in here. Got all our drawers. 6 months, that's how we're living. His and hers. His and hers master. Emmy and the girls. That's us. Massive sand dune up there. I think the girls want to go sandboarding later. There's the blazer. Done well yesterday. No drama really. I'm just constantly looking at the trans cooler, but sat at about 95. We did have to lower our tyres down. Back ones to 22 and the front ones to 20, and the camp trailers to 20 as well, just to get in. It was a bit boggy, just low range, second to third gear, and that was it. And I've named the car, named him Dumbo, due to the ears he's got on, which I'm going to cut down. It's wet. Here comes the pack horse, doing all the heavy lifting for the next 6 months.
There you go.
Did you bring my beer?
No?
No, it's empty. I'll have to.
Bit of retraining, I reckon, eh?
I haven't got any bait. I've got lure.
What are you saying?
How's the first stop? How'd you like it?
Good.
Good? Yeah?
Happy birthday.
Oh, happy birthday, by the way.
Thank you.
Lillian's turned 2.
I'm 9.
I'm 9. Can you count to 9? Because that's how old Lillian is today. 4, 8.
Can't do
You
it.
got 7.
Show me.
This is our first crab that we got.
First crab.
That's alive. Yeah, it is alive when we touch it.
It's alive.
Yeah, it is. It's just like sleeping.
It's sleeping.
Yeah, sleeping.
Good job.
Let's throw him back in the water. No, I was like Daddy first.
Lunchtime. What are we having? What are you having, Matilda?
Pasta.
Pasta from last night.
And
Emmy?
pasta.
Pasta.
And she has something else.
I'm not going to do it because it's not Taylor's gourmet cooking at all.
Toasties.
Cheese toasties.
And then Matilda's got chocolates that I gave her because it's my birthday today.
Yep.
And Emmy's. Happy birthday!
And then we'll head into town after lunch, get some bait so I can catch some fish because I'm no good on a lure. And what else?
We're getting cardboard.
Or some cardboard to ride the massive sand dune over there in the distance.
I have flowers. I have flowers.
You have flowers. Do you like it here?
Yeah.
You do? It's not bad.
Family tradition of the birthday bumps.
Hello. Today we're doing the mountain. Lily, she's right over. And he's a little Emmy Wences.
Now, Matilda, ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
1, 2, 3,
10.
4, 5,
Oh, some of the
Good morning, guys, and welcome to another day of Drop the Pin. We had a better sleep last night. There's no dramas. Here's Lil. We're going to go and
do that big dune.
climb the big dune over there today.
It's very steep, but if you go here, there's a big rope that you can hold on to without falling. And never ever run down it. I need.
I reckon my calves are going to burn, hey? Not optimistic for a nice climb at all. Update last night. Yeah, so we just had a fire. Not much to do at night time. You don't really see that on the YouTubes. It gets dark, and what do? You go for a fish, and that's about it. Girls can play or watch on iPad, and then Taylor and I will have 1 or 2 beers, and then we went and watched an episode on the Netflix and just went to sleep. We're still pretty knackered from the night before. But yeah, all is well so far. There's the dune. I don't know if you can see from the footage how high it is, but somebody's actually rigged up a rope halfway up because it's so high. The climb is pretty steep. You can see the 2 girls trying to get up there. I'm going to attempt now. Let's see how we go. Thumbs are coming off. Made it up. Shit. That's hard. Oh, I'm getting off this. Now we're just starting. 6 more months. 6 more months. Of course, the girls don't care. They consider it a small hill. They'll give you a heart attack.
Hello, my name's Matilda. And up there is Mrs. Lillian. It's the lie down here.
Oh, Lillian's found it. Carpet. That's not happening, Lil. Not a chance. Oh, this thing just keeps going. You can see our camp in the distance there. Tilda, how are you enjoying your first camp?
Good.
First stop? the long road. Lillian, how you enjoying your first stop?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. It is quite good. On the fishing front though, I caught 2 fish yesterday, trumpeter and some sort of it kind of looked like a cod, but in the weed, so a weed cod. Not so sure. Not eating it though. Had some big fangs on it, but if you didn't get a picture, you didn't catch it. Rightio, time for the climb down. Excuse my shadow.
After climbing the massive sand dune, we decided to head into Horrocks to check out the general store and get the girls an ice cream and play on the playground. Horrocks is a nice little town. It has a general store with everything that you need, all your basic amenities, and it has fuel. But we quickly learnt that they had a siesta break every day, 2 to 4. So we then had to go back the next day and try our luck again. The staff are really friendly, and she loves a chat. Righty guys, we're off. That was Horrocks. Last night was pretty shit weather. Windy and rainy in the storm. The front come through and we weren't aware of it. Lesson learned. Just airing up after going off road. Wasn't too boggy really. It's pretty good. They say 20 psi throughout. We stuck on about 30. So
We're going to Denim and Monkey Mile. We're going to Monkey Mile. We're going to Monkey Mile. We're going to Denim first because we have to wait until 2 o'clock so we can hop and go into Monkey Mile. And I heard that there's a really cool beach, and if you've been there, please tell me what you like. Yay, we're here. Finally. Let's take a break. Let's take a break.
Let's take a break.
Get ripped off when we were driving.
What are we doing, girls?
We're going to see Monkey Mile dolphins today.
Mm-hmm.
And today we're at the beach, and so we are going to watch dolphins, do some tricks.
Oh, cool.
After watching the dolphins being fed, we then went up to Big and Little Lagoon. We got up to Big Lagoon. It was windy as anything, so we only stayed there for about an hour, had some lunch. I flicked a line, didn't catch anything as I do. And then we headed down to a little lagoon where the wind wasn't as bad because it was a bit more sheltered, I guess. And the girls had a swim, I flicked another line. Once again, didn't catch a thing, but we could drive onto the beach, which was pretty cool. See you on the next episode as we drop the pin at Gladstone Bay and South Lefroy. Catch you there.